This laptop gives you solid upgrade flexibility. It supports up to 2 SSDs. Both are M.2 2280 PCIe 4.0x for slots. You can install up to 2 TB per slot. That means a maximum of 4 TB total storage. What does that mean? M.2 2280. This is the physical size of the SSD, 22mm wide, 80mm long. It's the most common and easiest to find. PCIe 4.0x for NVMe. This is the speed type. It's very fast, great for gaming, video editing, and heavy workloads. There's also support for M.2 2242 SSDs, which are shorter drives, 42mm long, but 2280 is more standard. In simple terms, you get 2 superfast SSD slots, and you can expand storage up to 4 TB, which is excellent for power users. Memory, RAM. Now let's talk about RAM. Supports up to 64GB DDR5-5600. Has 2 DDR5 SODIMM slots. Supports dual channel. What does that mean? DDR5-5600 very fast modern RAM. 2 SODIMM slots. The RAM is upgradable. Dual channel. If you install 2 sticks, like 2 by 16GB, performance improves compared to 1 stick. This laptop supports up to 2 PCIe 4.0 SSDs, meaning you can go all the way up to 4 TB of superfast NVMe storage. It also supports up to 64GB of DDR5 RAM with dual-channel capability, and the RAM is upgradable, which is great for future-proofing. In simple terms, you can upgrade this laptop up to 64GB of fast DDR5 RAM, which is more than enough for gaming, editing, 3D work, or heavy multitasking.